guys, so this is your girl Namita from My Closet Diary of course, and monsoon आ गई है तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं आप लोगों को कुछ hair products के बारे में बताती हूँ because right now the biggest concern we all have is hair fall, right? So I have also been suffering from that, and because of that I got my haircut done. So I just hope कि ये solution मुझे पहले मिला होता तो मैंने शायद से अपना haircut नहीं कराया होता. So today I'm going to talk about this hair loss control therapy serum, and this comes with this attachment as well, and also if you guys can read it over here, so it shows on and off. So we have on and off switch here, so let me quickly keep it near to me because I was not able to read. So this shows on and this shows off. So basically if you turn it this side, this is off, and now you turn it this side, it's on. So I can show you that, you know, now. Okay, sorry. So basically I have offed it. So okay, so now it's on, and now if I turn it, I can spray it, right? So it's very quick and easy, and generally जो हमारा डर होता है कि प्रोडक्ट गिर जाएगा ये वो, तो we can just turn it off and it will not fall anywhere else. So this product basically claims two things. First is Dht Blocker and second is Bringraj, and both of them are really good for hair loss control. So DHT is basically dihydrotestosterone, which is present in both male and female. Mainly male में ज़्यादा होता है और लड़कियों में कम होता है, लेकिन it has impact on both male and female, and generally there are a lot of side effects. One of those is hair loss as well. So this is why the Dht Blocker plays a vital role in our hair care product, and this product is recommended for both men and women. You both can use it, and plus it has Bringraj in it. So Bringraj is always known for good hair because it not only prevents your hair from hair loss, it prevents your hair from dandruff and all those itchy scalp. So both the ingredients are there. So now let's see what all this product claims. So first thing it claims is taints, frizz and split ends, adds shine, silkiness and smoothness. So to be honest, yeah, it has helped me a lot, but the result will not be seen in the first go itself. It's not a magical product, guys, that the moment you apply it and you can see the result. No, it will not happen that way. You have to use it regularly, use twice or thrice in a week, and eventually within a month you can see the difference. So I actually have oily scalp and oily hair, so I prefer using it only twice or thrice a week. But if at all you have dry hair, so you can use it every day as well. But remember one thing, guys, don't overuse it. So you have to take care of the fact that how long is your hair. According to your length you have to go. So for men, just one spray is fine. You don't have to use a lot. For somebody like me, like my hair is this lengthy, so I can use 2 to 3 pump on one side and 2 to 3 pump on the other side, and so on, according to your hair length you can see. So don't overdo this because this is a serum. Also with this you have to remember 2 more things. First, that you have to always use it on a washed hair. Please don't use it on an unwashed hair because it will damage your skin, damage your hair, damage your scalp. So do not do it, and do not over apply it. I have been emphasizing on this, so please be careful about it. Also apply this product on damp hair, and remember that you have to use it before any styling product. Like it should be just your hair washed and towel dry it. It should be little damp, and apply the product, and then you can do any kind of styling, and also you can use any styling product post this. So this is it, guys, about this product. Hope you like this video, and I'm not sure if I missed something. So if at all I have missed something, you can always ask me in the comment section below because I keep reading all my comments and I'll surely reply to you guys. And hope you like this video and hope you will come back to this channel. So if at all you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly do it. Bye. Take care.